Hi, I'm Ben Pegg and welcome to Peg's Smokehouse. Today we're going to make a Smokehouse Burger. Very simple recipe. We've got some 80-20 mix that you can just pick up from Coles or Woolworths. We've got a bit of Worcestershire, an egg, and a bit of salt and pepper. And that's going to be our burger patty. Anyway, let's get this in. All we need is a bit of Worcestershire. Put as little or as much as you like in here. So I'm just going to put that much in. Put an egg, crack an egg in there. Alright, that will get in there. And we'll mix it up. Alright, we've got all our ingredients mixed up together. You can measure these out if you like. I'm not going to worry about doing it. I'm just going to get a handful of mince, about that much. And a bit more. We'll make some good burgers out of these ones. Nice big thick ones. Make a ball. Pat it down. We want like a nice big thick burger. So we've got our burgers made here. We've got 1 kilo mince. So each burger patty is roughly around 250 grams. Like I said, we want some really good Smokehouse burgers. So we really want the smoke and the meat to shine. So all we're going to have is just a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic. We'll just sprinkle a bit over the top of these. Don't need much. A bit more on that one. We will flip them over and do the other side. Right, now that we've got these all seasoned up, our burgers made, let's go out, let's get the smoker to temp. All right guys, we've got our pellet grill up to temp here now. We're gonna get these burgers on there. Let's get them straight in the middle. Get some grill marks on them. All right, we're gonna get them, we're gonna leave them for about half an hour. Then we're gonna come out, we're gonna flip them over. We're going to put a probe in them, make sure we don't overcook these burgers. Anyway, remember, if you're looking, you're not cooking. Okay, now while we're waiting for our burgers to cook, we're just going to get some onions, we're going to cook them down, caramelize them, get some mushrooms in there, get them all cooked down so we can top them off with our burgers. So, get all these onions in there, get all the sugar cooked out of them, that's why they turn that brown and caramelize, all the sugar's starting to get cooked out of the onions. Onions are really starting to get that real good caramelization, so now we're just, while they're about that stage, we're gonna add some of our mushrooms. Add as little or as many as you like. Add about that much for me. Now we'll cook them mushrooms down with those onion, mix it through, and we'll get them on top of our burgers. All right, our burgers have been cooking for about half an hour now, so we're going to get them flipped over. All right, so we've got these burgers flipped. We're going to get a probe into the center of that one. We're going to leave them for another half an hour, come out, check the temp, and get topping with our mushrooms and our steak sauce. All right, I've got these burgers to where I want them now. I like my burger a medium well. Some people like them a bit rawer. Some people like them well done. That's where I've got my burgers at the moment. So we're going to get some glaze on them. This is my steak sauce. You can see how I make this on one of my other videos. So let's just get some of this glaze on them. It doesn't matter if it runs down the side there. So we'll get this on there. We'll leave it for another 15 minutes. Let that sauce soak in and caramelize on top. Then we'll top it with our mushrooms and onion and a bit of cheese. All right guys, it's been about 15 minutes now. Put some mushrooms and onion on these. leave one without it because my wife doesn't like mushrooms. Got the mushrooms and onion on. Now we've got some nice vintage cheese. Now all we want to do is get this cheese melted, so it will not take long, 2 minutes at the most. All right guys, we've got our burgers off the smoker now. We've got a bit of mayonnaise here that I've made. It's just mayonnaise, roasted garlic, and I squeezed half lemon in there. So we're gonna get a bit of mayonnaise on our rolls. As you see, I've lightly toasted these bread rolls. Spread a bit of mayo around on them. This is personal choice. If you don't like mayonnaise, you don't have to use it. Got some pickles. I do like these pickles, so again, personal choice. You make your burger how you like it. Bit of raw onion, not much, just put one on there. I've got some nice streaky bacon. I cooked this in the oven so it goes nice and crispy. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now I've got my burger patties here. And I've got a bit of my barbecue vinegar sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle over. And look at that, a genuine Smokehouse Burger. Let's cut this puppy open and have a look at it. Oh, look at that, beautiful. I wish you were here that you could smell it. Just smells beautiful. You know, I can't wait it. I've got to try this. Still so, look at the juices in that patty. Beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Peg Smokehouse. We'll see you next time.